Today I'm presenting to you the list of top 5 longest serving presidents in Africa. So if you're watching this video, kindly share it to your friends and your loved ones. Click on the plus sign to follow us on TikTok. Subscribe to our platform on YouTube. Facebook is Salif Abdul. You can follow us there. So that any updates, anything that drops on the media space, either trending or whatever we need to learn together, we are going to learn it together over here. Now, number 1 is Paul Biya, Cameroon. 50 years of ruling. Paul Biya has been in governance for 50 good years in Cameroon, and I don't know what he is doing in that position. Because 50 years in the Ghana independence, after the name 60-something years. So tamana kwa mkromati hasi jina na popular so dia konya. So what is exactly has Cameroon developed, and then yasem so you move forward. Number 2 is Theodoro Nyema Mbasago, Equatorial Guinea. 45 years of governance on so wetin mabu Equatorial Guinea. Wetin matana Equatorial Guinea konya no so 45 good years. Na any that already was 8 years, 2 times 8 years na musu. Why you lucky? When you make it try to why you lucky? We be like this 50 years, 45 years. Them they are not complaining. What a Ghana 8 years you are crying. You are so lucky. Number 3 is Denis Sassou Denis Sassou Nguesso, Republic of Congo, 39 years. Their ages, I don't really know. But it is not military governance. That is democratic ruling. And I'm wondering, who are those people in these countries that they are still voting for these people? But still, the country, well, it is not our business. So let's move forward. Number 4 is Yoweri Museveni, Uganda, 39 years. So I did a calculation over there, and it sums up to almost 41 years. But terms need to be about 39 years. Museveni there will be at in Uganda for you cannot make a protest. We saw when Kenyan tried to protest, and Ugandans also did same. But Museveni said, if you are a man, step on the road and I will see you. The way don't go beat you for your day, you will see. And number 5 is Isaias Afwerki, Eritrea, 32 years. Eritrea president has been in governance for 32 years. So these are the list of top 5 longest serving presidents in Africa. So let me start with their ruling this thing. It's not easy, bro. Now Paul Biya has been in governance since 1982. That is 6 November 1982, and their voting is 7 years renewal. So Cameroon, they vote 7 years after 7 years. And number 2 is Theodoro Mbasago. He has also been in governance for 45 years since 12 October 1982. And second president of Equatorial Guinea. All right, no problem, we got you. And then Denis Sassou Nguesso, Republic of Congo, first served from 1979 to 1992, and then they voted against him, and he still came to contest from 1997 to 2025. Currently, he is still the president, being president of Uganda since 1986 to 2025. That is Museveni. Isaias Afwerki. That is Eritrea president, 1993 to 1994 and 1994 to 2025. Why? What are they still doing over there? Why are they not voting against these people? They are still in governance for these longest 7 years. Oh, Charlie. Nanado, the 8 years, Penamusu. Hey, back tax, he leave you. My lucky.